Good Wednesday evening or night, because it's 10:30. South Carolina Weather Watchers. I'm the host for South Carolina Weather, Justin Peterson, and let's go ahead and talk about your weather for your Wednesday night, going into your Thursday morning. So going on ahead and looking at the radar for right now, as you can see, we do have some rain and some snow all the way up here inside of the Great Lakes and the northern Midwest. We do have some snow showers also over here, as I don't know what kind of line that was, but some snow showers up here in New York. Then once we go out a bit further west, we do have some snow showers inside the northern plains, and then we do have a huge just block of rain, huge wall and blob of rain and snow hitting the west right now. And, we talked about this. We said it was going to happen, kind of like a new quote unquote atmospheric river. This was going to spark our next storm system. Not really going to impact us mainly, but, and speaking of us, as of right now, no precipitation is happening. But the storm system's kind of going to go like up like this and not cause too much. Might create some rain on the bottom side and then maybe make some snow on the top side. But we'll talk about that when we're done. Let's go ahead and look at our cloud cover. So cloud cover right now, we do have a couple of clouds, especially just near the Columbia region, as well as just west and east of Columbia as well. So, we do have some cloud cover out there, but it's not anything widespread, and it's not producing any type of precipitation, so nothing for you to worry about. Here's our current temperatures: 51 in Columbia, 51 in Charleston, 52 in Myrtle Beach, 49 in Florence, and 53 in Augusta. Down to our south, 48 in Savannah, 50 in Tallahassee, 54 in Jacksonville, 52 in Gainesville, 58 in Orlando. To our west, 52 in Atlanta, 50 in Birmingham, 49 in Montgomery, 48 in Huntsville, 51 in Jackson, 53 in Mobile, 55 in New Orleans, and 53 in Baton Rouge. To our north, 48 in Charlotte, 49 in Fayetteville, 48 in Wilmington, 48 in Raleigh, 45 in Knoxville, and 50 in Memphis. Here's our minimum temperatures for tonight. Minimum temperatures can be around 36 throughout pretty much most of the area that's away from the coast. Like you can see Augusta, 36, Columbia, Florence, Sumter, the upstate, 36. Greenville, Spartanburg, you can see 37. But 36 pretty much all throughout the board. The only way how you might not see those temperatures is if you're near Myrtle Beach and Charleston, where the low temperature for Myrtle Beach is 43 and the low temperature for Charleston is 47. And we have some below freezing temperatures as well up there near the Appalachian Mountains. But we're here to talk about South Carolina. Here's our 24-hour wind gust in miles per hour. We can see a good 20 mile per hour wind gusts throughout the Midlands, a good 25 up there near Greenville, Spartanburg. The coast, though, not really too much anything in the low country and the PD regions could see a good 15, maybe 15 through 18, 19, maybe even a 20, but that's all you're gonna see really. The only place that really has a chance to see some type of breezy condition of around 25 to 30 mile per hour wind gusts is up there in Greenville, Spartanburg. Our 24-hour precipitation totals. Right now, no precipitation is expected for the next 24 hours, so that is an amazing thing. Here is our radar to kind of show that. If we push this forward, as you can see, we have a high pressure over us, as I've been talking about. And if we push this forward some more, nothing. Nothing's happening. So, go ahead and close that out. Also, let's go ahead and look at our Storm Prediction Center outlook. If you go to the main thing, we do have that non-severe type thunderstorm thing that happened inside of California, but they did update it, and now places like Kansas City, I think that's Hannibal, or Hannah, I don't know how you say that. I don't know. Peoria and Springfield has a chance of seeing some thunderstorms tonight. We have no chance for thunderstorms throughout the entire United States tomorrow, but that can change, as you can see the discussion right here. Some low-level moisture should advance inland, mainly Thursday evening into Friday morning, but instability across the region will likely remain too meager to support thunderstorms. And then we have the day 3, which shows us a non-severe weather type, a non-severe weather thing, box little circle thing for Little Rock, Memphis, Jackson, Tennessee, and Greenville, Mississippi, just east of Dallas as well, which the discussion says severe thunderstorms are not forecasted, but it does say scattered showers and a few thunderstorms are possible mainly during the day before this activity weakens by early evening. Weekend stability will likely limit storm intensity and preclude a severe risk. So, pretty much no severe thunderstorms for the next couple of days. And here's our day 2 excessive rainfall outlook. I think the same thing for day 3 as well. So no excessive rainfall is possible for tomorrow and Friday. So, I mean, it's looking like we're going to have a great end to the week. The weekend is the thing that we're really going to have to watch for. As we push this forward, you can see as we may see some rain down near the southern tip of South Carolina around February 18th, around early morning. But then that's not going to last long as we get dominated by some warm air. And then we do have a little system that may want to bring us some showers, potentially. Probably not a lot of rain, though. And then that's going to get out. High pressure moves in. And then we have a huge storm system that we're going to have to watch for some heavy rain, some gusty winds. And severe weather is not out the question, but we're way too far out. And if you look over to the west coast, you may see that a lot of snow in California, a lot of rain. But this is 362 hours out. 324, my bad. 324 hours out. And we have a 962 millibar low pressure, but it's cold base, so it's not like a hurricane. If that was a hurricane and it was 962, that'd be pretty dangerous. But luckily it's cold. It has a cold core to it, so it's just like a regular storm system, but it's gonna have some intense winds with it. Like, I'm not gonna say hurricane force, but if this does happen, because remember this is still 300 hours out. If this does happen, they're gonna have to watch out for blizzard conditions up there, just west on the panhandle of Washington. Not completely at Seattle, but definitely really windy conditions as a 965 like that. And the lower the number is, by the way, the higher the storm system, or the stronger the storm system is, I should say. So if you get like a 1004 storm, that's pretty weak. But if you get like a 950, that's like really strong. So that's how that works. And that's where it's gonna wrap up. So very quiet weather ahead. We have this little storm system that might impact the very southern tip of South Carolina, bringing some showery conditions on around the 18th. And on the 23rd, we can all see some showers. And then if this does happen on the 27th, we could potentially see some gusty winds and some heavy rain. And this is what it looks like on March the 1st. So if anyone, wanted to see what was going on the 1st of March, this is what the radar might look like, even though it was 384 hours out. But that's going to about wrap up today's forecast video, tonight's forecast video. I am going to be away for, I think, probably Friday night until Sunday. So I probably will not make a video on Friday night or Saturday morning. It matters what time that I leave, Friday night, Saturday morning. So there definitely will not be a Saturday night video. There will not be a Sunday morning video, but I really don't make Sunday morning videos anyway. So a Saturday night video. There will be a Sunday evening video, unless something happens. But as of right now, for sure, there will be no Saturday evening video. So thank y'all so much for watching. And I will see y'all tomorrow with another forecast update.